Good morning, everyone. Let's talk about Allstate here, ALL. So this was a trade that I actually took last week, and this was a short, and I call this a too high time to die trade. And one of the members asked me about this in the Discord server, and we went over it, and I thought, you know what, we should probably do a video on this because we've had a lot of people try to learn how to short the market. And what I have found is that a lot of people try to short the market a different way with full time frame continuity to the downside, which obviously that's what you want to do, right? Full time frame continuity. But let's go back in time here. Let's go back with our time machine here and let's go all the way back to April. I don't know. Let's go back to April 1st. Let's see if they'll let me do this. So let's go back to April 1st. This is the wonderful thing about on demand. For those of you who have never used it, you really need to look at this product. It's a wonderful tool. And let's just go back here to April 1st with ALL and let's just kind of take it frame by frame and let's just pause it right here because a lot of you are looking at this and you're saying, okay, so here's the year, here's the quarter, the month, the week, and the day. Phil, you do not have full time frame continuity. Look at this. You've got all these different. You're in conflict right now, and I would tell you, yes, you're absolutely right. But here's the deal: when the market gets really tough, you have to learn how to kind of forward think with the strat and see that this is at all-time highs for the year, which means that we are right around all-time highs for the quarter. And then for the month, in order for us to go higher, we would have to go two up. Okay? And this is in a really tough market. Some of you would say, well, Allstate is a really defensive play. So therefore, it has to go up. And you know what? Some of those defensive names did go up for a while. Now let's fast forward to April 2nd here because you can see right now we are still 211 for the week. So let's go to April 2nd. Ah, and right there, this is what we were waiting for right here. The bigger time frames here really didn't change. Okay, the year is still green, but now the quarter, the month, and the week all flipped red. Why did it flip red? It flipped red because right here, the day before, this at one time was a beautiful green candle going up. Do you remember that? Let's go back. Let's go back and look at that. Right at the same time, you'll see that this candle is green. Look at that. You see that? It's going to go green right here and go up. Matter of fact, by the end of the day, this will be green and then it'll sell off and set up the 222 rev to go down for the next day. And that's what we got right here. It went higher, it broadened, and now on the next day we got what we wanted. This is what we were waiting for. We were waiting for the day to set up so that it could trigger the week down the 212 right there. And now by doing that, we now have a red day, a red week, a red month, a red quarter. Now keep in mind, it would have to do a lot in order for it to go red for the year. But let's fast forward now to the 4th and let's see if this starts to play out. Ah, and right there, we went 3-2 for the day. And now look, we now have full time frame continuity, a red year. That's it. That's how I do it. Some people may not agree, but that's what I do when we have a stock at all-time highs, trying to go higher in a very tough market. All right. If you have any questions, please let me know. Feel free to comment. If you'd like to join us in the Discord server, please come and join us in the Discord server. All right. Until we meet again, take care and God bless.